I found your purse. Well, where's my wallet? My brush? My tampons? I had a lot of very expensive makeup in this bag.
It was in the garbage.
Then how'd you find it? Wednesday your day to dig through the trash?
Your voice just got loud.
You bet your ass my voice just got loud because you and your little friend stole my purse.
What?
Morley Safer did a whole thing on identity theft. I know how you people work. Little packs, preying on tourists. You're probably here right now just trying to trick me into telling you my mother's maiden name. You bitch!
I came here to be nice. I knocked on 71 doors looking for your sorry ass just to be nice. My knuckles are raw!
Oh my God, look at your toenails. You trim those with pliers?
You're right.
What is wrong with you? You're 24. Troubled teen is no longer flattering on you.
Nice talking to you.
You better stop.
Ow! Oh, that was dramatic.
You really wanted this to be dramatic, you should have called Mom.
What's that supposed to mean?
Grow up is what it means. Getting arrested for disorderly conduct? Really, though?
She hit me first.
Oh, that is so surprising. I can't imagine why anyone would ever want to hit you. And fainting at work? What is that about? Are you starving yourself again?
Why are you being such a cow? You're my sister.
You tell people we're not related.
It was just that one time.
It was Grandpa's wake.
Well, you always have such a bug up your ass.
Just curious. How many people did you call before you called me?
5. No, 6. You were the only one home.
Thanks for finding my mom's purse.
You're welcome.